Hi viewers, welcome back. If you want to install Microsoft Office LTSC 2024 and avoid common installation issues, make sure you watch this video until the end. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. First, open the Control Panel and uninstall any Microsoft Office applications currently installed on your computer. This helps prevent conflicts and activation-related issues during the new installation. Once the uninstall process is complete, restart your computer. After restarting, open your C drive and create a new folder. You can name it Office 2026. Next, open your web browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click on the first official Microsoft link and download the tool. Once the download is complete, open the file. Accept the license agreement and click Continue. When prompted for the installation location, browse to the Office folder you created on your C drive. Then click OK. Now go back to your browser and search for Office Customization Tool. Open the first official Microsoft link. This tool allows us to customize our Office installation. First, select the architecture you want to deploy. Choose either 32-bit or 64-bit. Next, select the Office suite you want to install. For this tutorial, we will use Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. If you also want Visio or Project, you can select them here. I recommend choosing the latest available versions. In the Apps section, turn on the applications you need and turn off the ones you don't. Now select your preferred language. Once you're done, look to the right side of the page and click Export. From the available options, choose Open XML format. Click OK. Accept the license agreement. Then click Export to download your configuration file. Open your Downloads folder and copy the configuration file into the Office folder on your C drive. Once the file has been copied, right-click the address bar inside the Office folder and copy the folder path. We will use this path in the next step. Now open Command Prompt as administrator. When Command Prompt opens, type cd space. Then right-click to paste the folder path you copied earlier. Press Enter. Next, type setup space / configure space configuration.xml. Then press enter. The Office installation will begin immediately. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this process may take several minutes. Please be patient and allow the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, open File Explorer. Go to your C drive. Open Program Files. Then open Microsoft Office. Next, open the Office 16 folder. Locate the file named OSPPREARM. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. You can repeat this process several times if needed. Once that's done, your Microsoft Office installation is complete. Open any Office application, such as Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. If everything was completed successfully, the applications should open normally. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.